Today I show you an unboxing of the MSI Ventus RTX 5080. This is the Geforce RTX 5080 made by MSI. This is the Ventus or Ventus. Some specifications here. Here's some information, installation guide. Okay, that's good. Geforce RTX 5080, 16 giga. It feels a bit like glue, kind of. The serial number for the graphics card, barcode. Okay, I'll open the box and doesn't seem to be any seal here, so just open it. And then lift. Okay. Cardboard with a code. It's pretty tough. In the box we have, okay, two important things here. This is the power cable, and I like that they have this yellow material on the cable itself, so you know if you didn't plug it in all the way. This is a usual big problem when this cable is not plugged in all the way. It's going to cause damage. Some kind of a stand for the graphics card so it's not falling. That's the code to replace it. Unlock it. Okay. And then lock it. And here it's soft. This is for installing it in the computer later. This is the power cable, and this is important. Make sure you align the power connector to the socket before plugging it in, and ensure the connector clicks into place. This is important, clicks into place. And use 3 individual PCIe cables from the power supply. Don't use this when they are like 2 cables on one end. You need to have 3 individual cables. So these are the warnings for this. I'll show you this cable. Oh, I like it, opens easily, very solid. So you have 3 PCIe graphics card connectors, and it has a locking. You can unlock it by pressing and pulling first. The graphics card, okay. The graphics card is in an anti-static bag for its protection there, so you don't touch it and it shocks it a little bit, you know, the static electricity. I touched the computer case, the metal part, and the computer is plugged into the wall, to the socket. So the grounding, any static electricity I had on myself should be dissipated. Now it should be gone. Now we're ready. Okay, this is the graphics card. There is even some kind of paperwork, quick installation guide. The package content: remove the panel, remove 2 of these covers. It takes 2.5 PCIe slots. Insert it in the PCIe, make sure this clicks. Then insert the screw. There is no screw provided with the graphics card, but the case, if you have a new case, it will have screws. Make sure the power cable is plugged in properly. It's also a good idea to use the anti-static bag as a mat for it. Doesn't seem too much bigger. This one is 2 PCIe slots and a half a bit. And here it has HDMI and 3 display ports. So these are the ports of the graphics card, and that's the 3 fans, not too big. That's some information there, RTX 5080. It has all these stickers on it that need to be removed, and also there is the PCIe slot. So this is the graphics card, this is how you get it, what you expect to receive. It's not too large, so it fits. Also, this is the connector. Power supply should be 850 watts minimum. I have a 850 watts power supply, and I hope it works. Okay. Okay, pretty basic plastic smell test. Smells like, the front here smells like electronics, and the top here smells like power supply. The fans are spinning. Okay, all that out of the way. I'll make the installation video as a separate video. This is to show you the package contents. Thanks for watching.